Hey guys, it's Jessa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm jumping in and showing you how to create an animated end screen for your YouTube video all in Canva. So it's really easy. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to actually make the actual end screen that goes at the end. I'm not going to be showing you how to sort of put it in your footage or how to actually add in the end screen with YouTube. I will do that in another video. This video is all about just creating it, and it is quite easy. So if you are sort of thinking, oh, I can't do an animated end tag, you absolutely can. So I am going to jump in. Now I'm in Canva and I have created a template for you guys. And what this template is it's just the sizes of the sort of other elements. You have the thumbnail, you have the playlist, and you've got the profile image as well. So that is going to give you a really good size guide for when you're creating your end screen. Now, let's jump in and do some design. So I'm going to go to elements, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for animated things. So to do this, let me see if I can find an animated circle. So I'm going to go circle, hit enter. And you can see some of them are animated and some of them are not. If I want to filter only the animated ones, in the top right hand corner, just hit this little sort of toggly thingy and hit animated, then go apply filters, and that will show me only animated ones, which is really cool. So I am going to put in this one here. I'm going to put it around what will be my profile thingy, because that'll be really cool. Now I'm going to look for some rectangles. Beautiful, and you can see this one doesn't quite fit, but we'll make it work. Might rotate that so it sort of sits around as a big border. Beautiful, that looks good enough. Now I'm going to add a cool background. So you can also, Canva has heaps and heaps of actual video footage, which is really cool. So you can go to the video section, find some sort of video footage. I'm going to grab this one and pop it in the back. I'm just going to drop down the opacity of that one so it's a little bit more, so it's a little bit less like dominant. And now I'm going to add my subscribe now text. I'm just going to chuck that above where the little round image is going to go. I might move that down a little bit lower actually. Beautiful, and I might use Poppins is a great font. I like that one. Awesome. I'm just going to grab sort of a similar might grab the grey actually. Subscribe. Beautiful. So that will be the end tag there, which is cool. I'm going to add just like a little area down here for social media. So I'm going to type in rectangle again, go back to graphics, and I might add this like cool little bubbly bit down here just for my social media. Maybe my Instagram. I'm going to type in Instagram. There's even some animated Instagram things, which is cool. So pop that one in there. Might even like, I don't know, maybe some Instagram hearts. It's cute. I like it, and I've already got some photos of myself uploaded. I'm just going to go and grab a frame so I can chuck a photo in it. Here we go, got my photo. I'm going to add my Instagram just in there. Beautiful. And I'm not really a big fan of this background, so I'm going to change that one out to something a little bit more abstract. cool. I might change it to that one. That's going to give you, it's like so like psychedelic and colorful, this end tag now. Now the final step before we go and download it, I'm just going to delete where these thumbnails are going to go, and of course the profile image. So that is ready to go. I'm going to go up into the top right hand corner, hit download, and make sure MP4 video is selected. Hit download. And it will take a while to download, but once it has, that file will be ready to just drop straight onto the end of your footage. I recommend sort of leaving it there for 5 to 10 seconds at the end so you can add your tags and people have time to sort of click on them. So yeah, I hope this really helped. I want you to have a go at making your own animated end screen. I think you'll be able to do it quite easily. I think it's kind of, it's one of those things that we sort of see and we think it's advanced, but it's actually not. So definitely jump in, give it a go. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week on how to grow your business online. So I would love you to be part of my community. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.